road not taken is choosing your path. Choosing a path that is easy, but the ending is not that interesting. Or creating a path na a little bit difficult. You're uncertain kung anong ending, pero it is more interesting kung anong outcome niya. Artist, and at the same time their art, is the record of a society and of a culture, na the artwork is not just something pretty that you put on a wall or whose only purpose is for its aesthetic value. It has to have a more deeper calling, a deeper meaning. If there's something that I can describe art, yun ang masasabi ko. The purpose of food is to feed the body. The purpose of art is to feed the soul. For me kasi, painting kasi, it has to be very specific na may theme, may idea, but leave enough space for the viewers to have their creative input. Kumbaga, 50% of an artwork is the physical artwork, yung input ko as an artist. The other 50% is you, the viewer, kung ano yung nakita mo. My favorite artist is my dad. And it's not because he's my father. He's my favorite kasi I learned something from him that I've never learned from other artists. Because when he creates his work, he treats it like a job. Hindi siya pabugso-bugso. That's the way I see my art also. I don't paint just because, I feel inspired. Pipinta ako ngayon. Sometimes you have to paint. Ang pagpipinta is parang trabaho. Masakit sa katawan mo. Most of the time, you don't feel happy when you paint. But you have to draw inspiration from whatever life throws at you. And it is something that I really respect and I really admire and I try to emulate yung work ethic. There are 3 things you have to have as an artist to be a true visual artist. And that's something that I try to live whenever I create something. First, you have to have the attitude of a layman. You have to have the attitude of a student. Tayo as an artist, we may be good at being creative, but it does not mean that we know everything. Now you have to not have the attitude na mataas ang yung sarili. You have to have an attitude of always being a student, always learning. Second, you have to have the hands of a craftsman. When I say you have to have the hands of a craftsman, kailangan hindi lang yung meron kang konsepto, pero hindi mo naman kayang gawin personal, papagawa mo sa iba. Kasi it's a relationship between the artist and the material. The third and the most important part of being an artist is you have to have the mind of a philosopher. That is the most important thing. Kasi sabihin natin, magaling ang kamay mo, pero mababaw ka. So you just create pretty pictures. The purpose of art is not just to create pretty pictures. The purpose of art is to level up yung consciousness of man, to tell your story, to try to be an asset to your own culture, and to tell something that is, to tell the truth, kumbaga.